In this video, I will show you how you can create a Ghibli version of you that's been going viral everywhere. Photos like these. First, open the GPT app. If you don't have the app, you can download for Play Store or App Store. Then click the little image icon on the bottom left. After that, select the photo you want to change into Ghibli style, and in the text write, "Turn this photo into Studio Ghibli art," or just copy what I write in the video. After that, you just gotta wait. It may take a while depending on your internet. Finally, the image is generated. You can just save the image by pressing it and click the Save option.